Is it from 2 to 7 or 1 to 7? You are getting it right. Just I want to confuse and see how strong. So and got an answer that it should be from 2 to 7. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, 2 to 7. So 0, 1 you should not put from 2. So the output is Chana. Okay, great. To print the TPUT output from the specified character index, some specified character, okay, using positive slicing. These are all positive slicing, okay, all are positive. Okay, this is an index. Okay, negative slicing. Let's see. Okay, this is one. Now, okay, great. I don't want to specify the target, no target. Then what? S3, S4. But str of, I want to specify source, but no target. What will I get? Print S4 is equal. Now, can you guess the output? From 2, no target. So what will I get? Scenario. Okay. Okay. Now I want to specify. Okay. I want to specify So now what will I get? 2 from 2, I want to make it 8. So what will I get output in the string? Did I print actually? 2 to 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 means 7. So spacing is there. So that is why I'm getting 0. See here? Okay. Now I'll make it 2 to 11. Now what happens? 8 ke baad 9, 10, 11. So it is red. Okay. This is all about positive. No source, no target. What happens? I didn't specify, right? No source, no target. Good. CR of no source, no target. Last. Good. No source, no target. So everything, entire thing will come. This is all about positive slicing. Now the same thing I will do for negative slicing. Coffee. Coffee, you are able to follow? Yes, you can type yes or no on chat. Was negative. Yep.
Hello. I have one more doubt also.
Yeah.
For example, respective string actually. For example, if you take one line, let's take one line. Let's take if your line is having details about some instruction, like ID, the test case number, or whatever it may be. Let's take some details of. Let's take some other details like name, Aadhaar ID, location. So each line, I mean, each values are, I mean, getting with a semicolon at the end. Like, let me type this here.
No problem.
ID, ID
Okay,
equal to
ID.
0
Okay.
or something, semicolon, and name equal to society, semicolon, and society or
Semi.
something, whatever maybe, and
Okay.
location,
Colon or semicolon?
semicolon,
This is colon.
semicolon or
This
colon or
is
semicolon, whatever it may be, because it
okay.
is a text
Okay.
file, so no
Ah.
problem.
Ah.
So then location is something.
Okay.
Location is
Okay.
equal to Bangalore or something.
Hmm. Okay.
So after this, we have to do we have to remove this semicolon
Hmm.
uh,
Okay.
with each. I mean, how can I say? Remove the semicolon. Yes,
Hmm. And print the
remove
output.
the semicolon. Yeah,
Like
and print
ID
this out.
equal to 0 you want, name is equal to something
Yeah,
like this.
exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we can do this. I'll go see.
Mm.
Regular expressions you have to use, or you have to use loops. There are two, three ways. I will give you. Okay, this is one
This
good,
task
good
also,
question.
I'll check actually how to do
Check.
that.
I will also give you. No worries. This 8:30. Okay, cool. I will give you. Just one small topic here is negative slicing. I was doing this negative, right? So
Mm.
uh, this part I just commented. Okay, it's a good one. This one is negative. And it okay, what we will do in string negative slicing indexing starts with -1 here in the right side. So -1 will give me str of -1 will give me y. Str of minus 1 will give me what? Print. I'll just print. -1 is y. Yeah, y. Okay. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So I will give -5. See R. So like that, negative slicing always starts with -1. Negative index starts with -1 and it starts from back. Negative means like that. Okay, like this. Now, if I modify this one, then say -1. Say like a -3. This is -1. Then it should be source to target. So I can say -4 to -1. So what happens? -4 to -1. -4 to -1. -4 is what? -1, -2, -3, -4. So whether I will get EDD or EDDY. Okay, so -1 always not be counted because the source, the target. Target -1. So one character before that I will give. Okay, so that's minus about that. And here no source. Okay, that's 2. Now I will give you -1 and -3, which is not really recommended because this should be, see, -1 say like a 3 tak. What do we have? We don't have anything here. -1, I can say -1, -2, -3. So -1 here it should be small. So it's always like minus can say you can give -4 like this. So you will get it. Okay, just one more minute. Anna. So this is negative slicing. So positive slicing, negative slicing. I will give you some more examples, but primarily we completed. Okay. That's a good question, Satish. I like it. For loops, we will plan tomorrow. Okay. Today, Kofi, uh,
Yes.
He left.
my 8:30. Today night, I am planning to spend some time with you guys. If you are also okay, I think Satish is okay. I want to check with you also. Maybe my
Mhm.
time. 9 p.m. IST. Is that okay? I don't know what time it will be. 9 p.m. IST. What time? Let's check. Today, 9 p.m. IST today. Can you check what time would be? 9 p.m. IST today means, I don't know, it is like, to convert it into EST. Let me see if we have. Yours is EST zone, no? EST time.
Right.
So 9 p.m. IST to EST. What time, buddy? What time is it now? See,